respectfully invite
the chairman of public Agadako. Now the papa called the wife. I remember when begin when they go school, we give her plenty. I won't put on. Call the boy because say, Papa, Lagos no easy.
The word that is in charge. That is what Papa's manager.
Everybody get to you now.
Go back. And when governor come, he go do that public function, no microphone.
I want to sincerely appreciate all of you for your loyalty, for your commitment and dedication to duty. 2 days ago, I was given an award. And what did I say? I said that this award, I dedicated it to God Almighty and to the good people of Delta State. And you are a good people. We want the best. We want something that we will do that will be impactful. Not personal gain, not personal interest. Delta State first. I call this meeting because we want to advance Delta. In advancing Delta through the more agenda, we must give the best to our people. And when I came in, all what people need, all, I use the word all. I don't want to repeat myself because I'm in this seat now for almost 19 months. And I know that people are actually happy. Are people not happy? Yeah. I call this meeting because we want to advance Delta. In advancing Delta through the more agenda, we must give the best to our people. And when I came in, all what people need, all, I use the word all. I don't want to repeat myself because I'm in this seat now for almost 19 months. And I know that people are actually happy. Are people not happy? Yeah. But if you are happy and people who are not civil servants, who are not public servants and are not happy, will you be happy? No. A superior engineer will issue a certificate for a job that will not be completed. And the job will be paid. And you, superior engineer, you'll be happy. And the people in that area will suffer. You like it? No. During my course of my inspection of projects, because we have a lot of projects that have been awarded before I came, and also the ones I also initiated. Like I promised that no project will be abandoned. But we must get value for money. Value for what? Money. In getting value for this money, we must see that in as much I'm paying you, I'm not owing you. Your certificate are not delayed. Once you get your certificate, I pay you. You must also give me quality job. Where in the BEME, they say use 12 mm. Sorry. They say use 12 mm. First go and use 8 mm. Is it good? No. So when I discovered that bad work, issuing a certificate of completion when the job has not been completed, where they said you put a binder and wearing course, they will put the binder. The wearing course, which is top of the wearing course, you will not put it and you are collecting money. the spot, I directed that those involved should be issued a query. We are delayed here because we're meeting to take decision on those two engineers. Sir. But my own case will be different. So that these ones will see how head of service and chairman civil service commission, because this time we are celebrating, you see what people can do in the next 2 weeks.
Giving award for grade level 17 for those of them who have.
And we're trying to address them in various ways. If we're not tracking.
Your Excellency, I was employed into the Ministry of Education. That is one. Secondly, I want to really say that we as directors.
First of month without confirmation. And for example,
Show